let's go put it in oven. Go. Oh, hooray! We'll chuck you in oven. Bake well. See you soon. Use this blender to mix it together and get a cream. I think we got to the cream, yay, cream, yeah, we got to the cream, so good, so good, well done. We're not really far from the fruit birthday cake, yeah, look at this beautiful cake, wow. Perfect. Let's open. Wow. So beautiful. Oh, really fluffy. Really fluffy. Ta-da! We got a 2. We got a 1. There's another one. 2 of them. And then we're gonna stack them together and make a proper cake. So just now let it cool down, and we can't tear this baking paper off. We can't tear this paper off because we need to keep the this cake kind of like moistured. And I'm going to put it on a cloth, let it cool down a little bit. Let's use this croissant. Cut into half from top to bottom, and then spread it. And let's spread some cream on it and make it into caterpillar bread. Wow, caterpillar bread. This time we're going to get more cream in. More cream makes it like when you bite it, and then you can feel like you can have a sense of satisfaction from buying. Cool. Close it. When you bite it, that's gonna give you a really great sense of satisfaction. Hooray! look, we got the fruit ready. And now we're going to decorate the cake. Let's go. Yum, yum. As you can see, we got to the cake base too already. And we're going to whip the cream and get this fruit decoration ready too. And also the spinning table, spinning cake table. And also this cake spreader. Here we go. And we'll get a little bit of cream. Make sure the cake can stick to the spinning table, not moving around. There we go. I'm planning to use this a little bit of fluffy one as bottom. Here we go. And now we're going to get the cream on 2 scoops. And now we're spreading it, like we spin and spread it evenly. My first time to try. Spread it evenly. This spinning table really helps. Ooh. Got to the ready, and now we'll spread our strawberries on it properly. Now we're going to get another layer of cream on these strawberries. That's gonna be a little bit tricky. Slowly. And now we're going to get to the second layer up. The top. Wow, really cool. Wow, right? Not too bad. Spread it properly. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Sophie. Happy birthday to me. Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray!
Okay. Hooray! Happy birthday to me. Thank you. Your birthday is not far from. It's not fun. Okay.
You look only slightly ridiculous.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Pressure on it. Down.
I know.
Good slice in it. Is that moving? This is my birthday cake. I made it. Birthday kind of like a creamy fruit cake. Ta-da! And then as you can see, there's a strawberry in between those cake base, and I spread the cream, whipped the cream on top, and get the fruit decorated. Yum yum! now let's try my cake. Especially like the cream. The sponge is really soft. So satisfying. You make one for yourself as well. Really easy. So good. Perfect. Here you go. Thank you for coming to my birthday party, and we will see you next time.